Hi, I'm Caleb Owen with the Channel Company. Deep disruptions in the world's supply chain have prompted the US president to sign an executive order pledging to review the issue. From paper products to pharmaceuticals to cutting-edge technology, we're all feeling the effects, including solution providers who are looking to acquire net new infrastructure for their customers. A shift to software and services helps, and so does partnering with the right vendor. Here to talk about some creative solutions to your supply chain challenges is Eaton Vice President of US Channels, Curtiz Gangi. Welcome, Curtiz.
Hey, thanks, Caleb. Appreciate being here and appreciate the Channel Company's interest in this topic.
Can you give us your perspective on the world's supply chain and how it's impacting partners?
I'll give it from an Eaton perspective. It isn't necessarily the supply chain that's impacting us. We've got great supply chain people. It's the logistics behind it. And we're working with those worldwide logistic partners today to shorten that cycle down. But it definitely is impacting. So we're coming up with creative ways for our partners to be able to still drive revenue, add value to their customer base, and make sure that they stay relevant as we work through a lot of this logistical pressure that we're seeing.
Why don't I ask you about one of those creative solutions? It's
Sure.
Eaton's digital software suite, Brightlayer.
Yeah.
How does this platform allow Eaton partners to focus on customer automation, control, and preventive maintenance without having to worry about the supply chain?
I think one of the key attributes of these products is that we've gotten validations from companies like Dell EMC and Nutanix, and we've worked through a number of the scenarios that partners will have today of not being on site, right, and still being able to keep that infrastructure up and running from a power perspective. Today, we've got a really good playbook for these partners to go and deliver that software as a value add. In fact, last year, we were delivering the software for free to our partners so that they could actually incorporate it and manage that infrastructure, control it. The automation piece is key too, because a lot, as you know, of these end customers are shifting to hybrid cloud. So we can actually initiate that automation of moving compromised compute or storage or networking off of the core data center and out into the cloud and bringing it back once the power anomalies have subsided. This isn't an Eaton only solution. These are integrated into some of the key virtualized and storage platforms, as well as managed services platforms like ConnectWise today.
In terms of then applying the solution, can you talk about the two ways partners can deliver this solution to their customers and the benefits of both?
We've talked about this before a little bit, and I think we've enhanced a lot of our certification path. This is free for partners. They can go into poweradvantage.com portal. They can go through certified programs for all the different softwares as well as the power technologies and build up that competency, go through the playbooks, get certified to go deliver that. And then when they need to upgrade and build out the core power infrastructure, they have that competency as well. The second thing is I have a very large sales force, both talking to the end customers as application engineers and delivering that value back to the partner, as well as our partner development managers that can go deliver that as well. So we act as if we are the partner in front of their clients to add that extra value and capability of the power management solutions.
So what I'm hearing then is that Eaton is really listening to its partners, what they need, and then what Eaton's partners then need themselves. How is Eaton helping new and current partners get that support they need and then drive incremental revenue, especially in today's market?
No doubt about it. So I think what we started with during the pandemic, as you know, we were very difficult to get on site. We were doing a lot of virtualized assessments, and that was training with the partner and end user at the same time. But the real key was to get our application engineers in front of those end customers. And I think at the end of the day, I'm going to go back to this education piece. Not only is the education core for the partner, but we tie it to an outcome-based MDF program, meaning we want to deliver value to them, drive new clients, drive more awareness of their own brand, something that we both agree to as outcome-based that's helping the business not only stay current, but also grow.
Thanks for getting online with me today and talking about an issue that has been affecting many people. If you'd like to see more about Eaton, visit the link below. I'm Caleb Owen, and I'll see you next time.